Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to align your Jeep Gladiator. First, understand that proper alignment is crucial for vehicle safety and tire longevity. Misalignment can cause your Gladiator to pull to one side or lead to premature tire wear. We will walk through the necessary checks and adjustments, ensuring your Jeep drives straight and true. This process can save you money on professional services and improve your driving experience. Before making any adjustments, a thorough inspection is vital. Start by checking your tire pressure. All 4 tires should be at the manufacturer's recommended PSI. Next, carefully examine your suspension for any worn ball joints, tie rod ends, or bushings. Loose components will prevent accurate alignment. Finally, measure your Gladiator's ride height to ensure it is consistent on both sides, as this impacts alignment angles. Now, let's get to the adjustments. The primary focus for a DIY alignment is the toe setting. You'll want a slight toe-in for stability. Use a tape measure or a specialized toe plate to get accurate readings. If your Gladiator has adjustable camber and caster, address those next, ensuring they are within specifications. Always make small, incremental adjustments and remeasure frequently to achieve the best results. After your adjustments, take your Gladiator for a test drive to ensure it tracks straight and the steering wheel is centered. Listen for any unusual noises and feel for any pulling. Continue to monitor your tire wear over the next few weeks to confirm the alignment holds. Regular checks will keep your Jeep performing optimally. Also, for great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, find the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.